Here's a question that could save your financial future. If someone sued your LLC today, would your personal assets actually be protected? Most business owners immediately say yes. After all, that's the whole reason they formed an LLC. But here's the reality. Courts can sometimes ignore your LLC entirely and hold you personally responsible for business debts and lawsuits. It's called piercing the corporate veil, and it happens more often than most owners realize. The scary part? In many cases, the owner unknowingly caused it by making a few simple mistakes. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest mistakes that can destroy your LLC protection and exactly how to avoid them. Let's get started. What is piercing the corporate veil? An LLC is designed to create a legal separation between you and your business. Normally, if your business gets sued, creditors can pursue business assets, not your personal bank account, home, or vehicle. But if a court decides you haven't treated your LLC as a separate business entity, that protection can disappear. When that happens, the court may treat you and your LLC as one and the same. That's what piercing the corporate veil means. So let's look at the 5 mistakes that commonly lead to it. Mistake number 1, mixing personal and business money. The most common mistake is mixing personal and business finances. Using your business account to pay personal expenses, depositing business income into your personal account, or randomly taking money from the business without documentation can all create problems. Why? Because it makes it look like the LLC isn't actually separate from you. If a court sees that you've treated business funds like your personal wallet, your liability shield becomes much weaker. The solution? Keep separate bank accounts, separate records, and pay yourself through documented distributions or payroll. The clearer the separation, the stronger the protection. Mistake number 2, ignoring business records. Many owners form an LLC, file the paperwork, and never think about it again. That's a mistake. Courts want to see evidence that your LLC operates like a real business. Keep important records, maintain your operating agreement, document major decisions, and store contracts and business documents properly. Even if you're the only owner, maintaining records shows that the company exists independently from you. Think of documentation as evidence that your LLC is a real business, not just a name on paper. Mistake number 3, underfunding the business. The third mistake is undercapitalization. This happens when a business is created without enough money or resources to realistically operate. If an LLC can't pay basic expenses, cover predictable liabilities, or function on its own, a court may question whether it was ever intended to be a legitimate business. You don't need a huge amount of money, but you should contribute reasonable capital, maintain financial stability, and carry appropriate business insurance. A legitimate business should be capable of standing on its own. Mistake number 4, using the LLC for fraud or deception. This one should be obvious, but it's worth mentioning. If an LLC is used to hide assets, avoid creditors, mislead customers, or engage in fraudulent activity, courts can quickly disregard the liability shield. For example, transferring assets to an LLC solely to avoid paying debts or making promises you never intended to keep can create serious legal problems. The corporate veil exists to protect legitimate business activity, not misconduct. The best protection is simple: operate honestly, keep clean records, and conduct business with integrity. Mistake number 5, acting like the LLC doesn't exist. Many owners accidentally weaken their protection by failing to operate under the LLC's name. They sign contracts personally, make agreements verbally, or present themselves, not the LLC, as the responsible party. Every time you do that, you blur the line between yourself and the business. Instead, always use the full legal business name. When signing documents, sign as an authorized representative of the LLC. Make sure your invoices, contracts, website, email signature, and business materials clearly identify the company. The goal is simple: make it obvious that the LLC, not you personally, is conducting business. How to protect your LLC? Here's a quick checklist. Keep personal and business finances completely separate. maintain proper business records and documentation, adequately fund your business and carry insurance. Operate honestly and avoid deceptive practices. Always act and sign as the LLC. These habits may seem simple, but they are what help preserve the legal separation your LLC is designed to provide. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with another business owner. And for more content on LLCs, asset protection, and business law made simple, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.